Morning family, good morning family. I just want to announce something before we move on, because you guys you know exactly what happened yesterday. This court made UK49 to decline the results. This court, go back to my video and check. I like proof whenever I'm talking of something. There was a code that I posted. This code was for both draws. It was like this code. If you can go back to my previous video, you'll see this code gave us all 14 numbers yesterday. If you can go back to my video, you're gonna check. This code broke the record yesterday. All 7 numbers on lunchtime they came. On tea time it brought, like, you know, this code brought all the numbers. I think the number that wasn't there, it's only 24. They had to decline the results, so I don't know why they declined the results, because I gave my people the code. I broke the code with you guys in that video. Then after, people, they boomed a lot of money on lunchtime, and they boomed again on tea time. Then they cancelled the results. So it means our code is working. Let's fight. We fight back today. If they decline today, then we know that we are not I don't know what I can say, but I'm saying we are fighting here. This code is a dangerous code, I'm telling you, and this code has been making wonders the whole week. It's a new strategy that I have of calculating numbers. No one is showing me the codes. No one is giving me the codes or numbers. I don't know numbers. I just calculate numbers with my mathematical ideas only. And I want to hear your comments, guys, on what happened yesterday on UK49. What do you think? What do you suggest should we do? Because now we put a code here with 7 numbers. You don't even have to calculate. You just pick the 5 numbers you play. Then it's a boom. Then they crash the results and say it's not a win. I don't know, because I heard some people saying in other apps and stuff. But you know, I don't know. But it's okay. That's not the matter. So guys, let me go back now. We work. We're not going to reverse because they declined results. So guys, trust me, I'm saying this again. This lotto book has got a powerful secret of UK49 and Mega Million. Yes, there are other draws in like 749, Ghost Lotto, and I mean, like, there are many draws that are included in this book. But with UK and this book, you will never go wrong. Trust me on that. You will never go wrong. You see, now I'm doing a video early. It's even, what's the time? 10:14. Here's the time. It's not like we do it after results. We do it before. And I just do one code for both draws. If you need to join my group, here's the number. If you need to get the book, here's the number. It's just for WhatsApp. Okay, so it's not only one book. I've got 4 books that I have differently. So this one is a finalized version of a book. And I just added this other current strategy on this book because this strategy is dangerous. It is a problem strategy. Trust me, one day UK49, they'll close down because of these codes. Let's go. So now, guys, before we go any far again, there are numbers that were skipped yesterday that are supposed to play. It was 19, 26, then there's 23, and then there's which other number? I just need to be sure, 20. These numbers are dangerous today on both draws. I'm just coming with these numbers to guide you through so that you don't have problems. So like 2330, 23, let me say 2320 is a powerful number. 2320 today is a powerful number. And remember, 11 also did not drop, and 22. So these numbers that I'm giving you here, which other number? 17. These numbers that I'm giving you here now, guys, put them on your pairing. Just maybe create 4 lines because now we are fighting. We're no longer gonna play 2 numbers. We're fighting. We're gonna play 4, 5, 6 numbers. 4, 5, 6 numbers. That's how we're going to play UK49 until they cancel, like draw. But we're going to fight. So this is what it is. Team, let's attack. Okay. So the first code is 2833. What I'm gonna do on this code, I'm going to add first. 2 plus 8 is a 10. Then this side is a 16, which now gives us a what? A 16, which is a 19. So I don't know if Tony has to split this number and say 19, or he's gonna spin it and say 16, but we will see there. But what I'm telling you is, this number can be split, and then you can make 11 there instead of a 1. if he has to split it, and then maybe repeats the 9 or the 19. That's how they do these things. And then remember this 16, if you say times 2, it gives us a 32. It gives us a 32. Then that 32, you spin it to 23. So that is why I'm sure that the 23 will come, because can you see it on the code is there. And then mind you, there's a number that might repeat there in this code. So look at this formula now. There's a 23 already. We have 2 3s there. But then 20 does not do it that way. It's going to take a 23 and then cross it down there and get a 26. This 26 will come from there, or 29. Did you see what I did there? Just be careful with that. There's a number that can repeat. 12 can repeat. 12 or 21 can repeat from the previous results of yesterday. So just watch that space. You won't hit the 24 because the 24 came. So now what he's going to do is, either if he sees that the cycle is, we already closed the other side, he's going to repeat 12 or 21. But watch out for 26 and 29 and 23. Because when I check here, like this on this code 2833, there is what, there is a 28, which when I check here this 28, I have to divide by 2. Let me say 28 divide by 2, it's going to give me a 14. So there's a high possibility of a 14 to come, not a 28. I might run away from that 28, and then you will split this 8 and make it an 18. It's a spin. Instead of that 8, they'll spin it into 18, and then he's going to divide that 28 with 14. Then he gets what? With it, let me say 28 divided by 2, he's going to get a 14. End of story. We're done with the first chord. Let's go to the second chord. Second chord is 7047. This one is a straightforward chord because there's a 0 inside. It means a 47. Straight 47. We don't have to even struggle there. It's a 47 or a 47 if he splits the number. Because these guys, I just want to see what they're going to do today. Because they're splitting, they're spinning, they're dividing, they're subtracting. So today we are with them. One way until tea time. We want to see. Okay, so this is how it is. As you can see, guys, it's a 47, which is a 47. So when we add all those numbers, you're going to get a 14. 14 plus 4. Let me say this so that it's clear, because I don't want my people to suffer how to get this. Okay, cool. It's 7 plus 4 plus 7. This gives me a what? An 18. As I said, an 18 is supposed to drop. Do you see now? As I said yesterday, guys, if a number is trending on these chords, make it a banker, or make sure it's a bonus ball. The other way around, I can say it that way. And you can, Tony is very clever. You can take this 7, because now you see there's a double 7. You can take the 1 7 and say 17, and then hit like 7 17 18. You know, just a consecutive number. Tony likes to do that in results. Okay, so we go to 2850. So now what I see here, do you see that on this chord there's a 2850, which means we're going to crush the 0 because it's at the end. And then we say 28 plus 5, it gives us a 33. A 33 dropped yesterday. So if a 33 has dropped yesterday, we're going to apply the matrix 10 prediction, which is going to be plus or minus 10. Plus or minus 10, we get a 33, a 23 here. So now we show that the 23 must come. If we add up, we're going to get a 43. But then we won't use the 43. What we're going to do here, we will take it, we'll spin it and make it a 34. Do you see how the metric goes, guys, now? This is how it goes. And then, because it's Uncle Tony, you can think smart. At 35 came yesterday, you will take the 20 there and put it down. And take the 25 and put it down and destroy people, and then he makes it 23, 20, 23, 25. Tony's results, they are like that. Always master that. Tony is very smart on the results. He will kill you with one chord. Okay, then let's do the last chord, which is 1520. So now, before we crush the 0, we're going to get a 20 there. We get a 25. And then 21 or 12 must drop. Or it can drop like 21, 12. That is what Tony does. And then if you add up all those numbers, you're going to get a 17. You see, if you subtract, it's a 13. So a 13 now, because it dropped last night, you're going to say times 2, you get a 26. Which is a what? A 29. Guys, I've given you all the results for today. Trust me. These are the results for today, both draws, lunch and tea time. Let's kill these guys. Let's nail them. Thank you very much, guys. So yeah, as you know, the books are still available. The group is still open. That's what it is, guys. Me, I just want to see booms after this. Comment, guys. Leave comments so I know exactly what you guys are thinking or suggesting about this Draw UK Fortnite. Thank you very much.